Hi, it's Jean from Jean's Vegan Health and Fitness. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my kitchen. If you're new to my channel, I've lived a plant-based lifestyle for over 20 years. I bring to you my exercise, recipe tips, anything that I can help you to maintain a healthy plant-based lifestyle. I also encourage you to exercise regularly, get plenty of rest, drink lots of water, and try meditating. Meditating helps keep you calm, balanced, and just gives you a great mindset. So today I'm going to do a recipe with you that it's a conventional recipe that I have converted into a plant-based recipe. We're making chicken using extra firm tofu, mashed potatoes, and a vegan gravy. So all the ingredients are down below. Gather everything up and let's get cooking. Okay, we're gonna start with making our gravy. And we start the gravy with 8 tablespoons of oil. I'm using olive oil, you can use vegetable oil. And what we're going to do is we're going to cook our garlic. And onion until the onion is translucent and they're both very tender. Looks like our onions are translucent, and we're ready to start with the next part of this. We're going to be using nutritional yeast. We're going to use 2 tablespoons. We have 8 tablespoons of flour. And we're going to use amino acids, but you can use tamari as well. And we need 4 tablespoons of the liquid aminos. What we're doing here is we're making a roux. So the idea is to make a thickened type of sauce that we will later thin out. But we have to maintain stirring so that it doesn't burn. As you can see, it's very thick. This is the best start to a really good gravy, is the roux. Okay, I think it's mixed up fairly well. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add in our vegetable broth. We have 2½ cups. We're going to do this a little at a time so that we don't make it too thin. We're going to continuously stir. And after stirring it for a little bit, we'll add some more. We want to make sure that all the clumps of flour mixture are well dissolved. Okay, now we're going to bring it to a boil. And that will get it to thicken up. Again, keep a close eye on it and stir it occasionally. So I thought I was filming here and I wasn't. So Basically, once the gravy gets thick, we add in a 1/4 cup of red wine or red wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon of sage, and 6 sliced mushrooms. So once you mix that up, we're gonna set this aside and we're gonna start to make the chicken. Okay, so for the chicken, you have to be very patient with this. The tofu needs to cook at a slow pace so that it doesn't burn. And we put about 3 tablespoons of canola oil or vegetable oil in a large saucepan. We're using an extra firm block of tofu. Make sure it's non-GMO, organic. And we're just gonna tear off pieces and just add them to the pan. Try to drain it as much as you can beforehand. It takes a lot less time to cook. I'm also going to be using a spray so that when I go to turn the pieces of chicken, they'll have more of a coating on them. Now the seasoning on this is very simple. We're going to be doing salt and pepper. So breaking it up like this gives it a more chicken-like look. A little bit of sea salt. And some black pepper. That's all you need. Now to make mashed potatoes, I'm going to be using Yukon gold potatoes. They are nice and creamy. I don't have to take the skin off of them. I'm just going to chop them and put them in the pot and cook them. And Red Bliss are good and creamy, and there's several others that you could choose from. I just happen to like the Yukon Gold. So we're going to chop those and we're going to start to boil. So a few tips about making the best mashed potatoes is, first of all, the potato itself needs to be a creamy style of potato. You want to add your salt to the water before you put the potatoes in. And when the knife goes through the potatoes, like butter, then you know that your potatoes are done, and it will be easier to mash them. These are still a little bit hard, so I'm going to let them cook a little bit longer. And before you drain them, we're going to keep about a 1/2 cup of the water from the potatoes. We're going to use that to do the mashing. Okay, so we've drained our potatoes and we've held on to 1 cup of the cooking water. We want to add about 2 tablespoons of earth balance butter, and we're going to start to mash. They're really creamy. They're mashing very easily. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, if you like, and pepper. I like a lot of pepper on my potatoes, so I'm very generous with it. At this point, we add a little bit of the water. Not much because they're really creamy. All right. And I think they're ready to be plated. Okay, so we have our steamed asparagus. We're going to put a little butter on there, vegan butter. A little lemon juice. Our mashed potatoes. Our chicken, fried chicken, and some of our gravy. There you have it. Fried chicken, mashed potatoes, gravy, and asparagus. It's a full meal. It's a great meal. I know you're going to love it and you're going to want to share it with your family. Enjoy. Well, I hope you liked this video. I hope that the recipe was easy to follow and that this is something you can share with your family and friends and just enjoy as much as I do. Please leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Also, if there's a recipe that you would like to convert from a traditional to a plant-based recipe, please let me know in the comments below. Also, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. That way I can bring you all of my favorite recipes, updated new recipes and tips to help you maintain a healthy and balanced plant-based diet. Take care. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.